Hey friends, if you encounter an issue with your camera and it says that the requested device is not found in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, before anything else, we will check permissions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the accessibility tab, go to the privacy and security tab, scroll down, select camera and make sure that the app that you're trying to access is on. For example, if you're using it with the camera app, it should have access. This said, what if the camera is not being detected by the system itself? So the best way to check this is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for cameras and check if you find it here and update them. Okay, so this is what you can do. And if it is still not found, then you can check the connections, you can check the compatibility of the camera with your system. You can try connecting it to a different USB port and so on. So this is the case because if you have checked the drivers and permissions, then the issue is with the hardware itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.